discuss yung how I solve number 10. The given of number 10 is y equals to 6 raised to x plus 2 over e raised to x. And first step, we need to find the derivative of u and v. Yung u natin, ito yung numerator, and yung v natin, ito yung denominator. Tapos hanapin natin yung derivative din ng dalawa. Tapos bali naging u prime equals to 6 over x ln times 6. Tapos yung v prime equals to e raised to x. Tapos kaya ako nakuha yung ano na dahil ginamitan ko ng exponential factor. Tapos second step, in-apply ko yung Ocean tool sa solution. Tapos maging para mas mapadali, ita-times ko na lang yung ano, yung v sa u prime, tapos minus sa u minus times v prime. Bali naging v raised to x times 6 raised to x ln times 6 minus 6 raised to x plus 2 times ex over e raised to x over raised to 2. Tapos yung derivative ng ano, bawal na kasi natin ring multiply. Bali, naging e raised to x times 6 raised to x ln times 6 minus, tapos inano muna natin, open and close parenthesis. Dahil babaguhin natin yung sign dito sa loob. Tapos over e raised to 2x, tapos cancel na yun sa yung variable. Tapos naging ano na siya, y prime equals to 6 raised to x ln times 6 minus ano na siya, 6 raised to x minus 2 over e raised to x.
Okay, that's correct. Okay, proceed tayo. Next.